crazy video. Hey, how you guys doing? It's Fritz, aka Mr. Professional. Today I got something special, something amazing, something. It changed your whole life. To have this car, to drive this car, you have to be different. 2017 Audi R8, black on red, sitting on some 20-inch rims. Beautiful car, beautiful, amazing. It's summertime, summer vibe. Let's kill it. 540 horsepower, 610 torque. That is, it's a V10 naturally aspirated car. Like, so the best part about this car is the transmission. That's one of my favorite parts. Like, you could shift without feeling the shift lag. Like, you don't feel the lag, like the bounce back. That car has it's amazing. Shifting this car is amazing. My second best feature is the dashboard. No radio, nothing here, no screen, nothing. Everything's through the dashboard. Map, review camera, like everything's through. Like it's beautiful. And the carbon fiber steering wheel and the red guts. You can't be mad with the red guts. Black on red, like you can't be mad. Like, competition, you guys don't have that.